What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be working on the XP, the truck, and the Z. Everything needs oil changes, so I'm going to try to hammer them all out today. Hopefully they get done. The Z, I think Blaine said the oil filter is a little hard to take off, but hopefully I can still get it done. I don't think I've done an oil change since Hawaii in my 240, so hopefully all the cars is pretty easy. I think I'm gonna save the Z for last just because it's the hardest, and probably start on the truck because the truck is the easiest. Right there is the oil filter, and then see, the best part about having the truck or changing oil on the truck is that you don't even need to jack anything up. So the truck is done. It was super easy. I think it only took like 10-15 minutes. And then now I'm gonna do the XB. So I spent the last hour trying to take off the drain bolt from the XB, but it's not coming off. So Blaine said that there's this tool that you can use that they sell at Home Depot to take it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get one of those and then go to AutoZone and pick up a new drain bolt. So I'll take you guys along with this.
Hi guys.
So first we're gonna go to AutoZone to go get the drain bolt. I'm still kind of ashamed to make vlogs and stuff in public, but this is what we got. And now we're gonna go head to Home Depot. So we just made it to Home Depot, and I think what I'm looking for is gonna be somewhere by the sockets. I don't really know exactly what it is, but Blaine said it's something that kind of attaches to the strip bolt, and it kind of forms onto it, and then you can use something or like a ratchet or something to take it off. So this is what I need. Hopefully this works. So we're gonna go home and try it out. Kaylee goes, "Can you take your socks off?" Alright guys, so we just got home, but it's pretty late, so we're just gonna eat dinner. We made some adobo and we're gonna watch Netflix, and then we're gonna go sleep, and we'll see you guys in the morning.
Aside from my soul, there goes aside, there goes aside, now there goes aside from my soul, there goes aside from my soul.
So this is what the socket looks like. It has a whole bunch of these spring-loaded pins, and it just forms to the size of the bolt. So, let's see. Here it is. So the socket isn't working, and it's not specifically made for strip bolts, so it's understandable, but we thought that it probably would just because it can fit to or form to all these different sizes and shapes. But we're gonna try to use an open end and see if we can take it out that way. Maybe you guys are strong, because I tried to use the open end last night and it didn't work.
How professional this is.
Okay, go. Okay, there. Yeah, it's good. Where's the... How come these ones feel so easy? I felt like the 241 was hard.
It's just harder.
Oh, it is harder. Yeah, these ones were easy. The trucking was so easy. So this is the old drain bolt, and this is the new one. Oh, see, it's all scraped up over here because it's so slammed. Just kidding, it's because the oil pan hangs a little lower, so it kind of scrapes when you go over speed bumps and stuff. Yeah, finally. Alright guys, so we finished everything, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's pretty simple, wasn't anything too crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.